Hello students, so I am back with the question answers of your poem. In our last video, you have seen that I have taught you the poem lines composed in a storm, okay? So, we will start with the question answers today. Take out your notebooks and you have to write these question answers in your notebooks, okay? So, second one, read these lines and answer the questions that follows. So, lines are given to you, you have to read the lines and answer the questions, okay? A part. My soul is awakened, my spirit is soaring and carried aloft on the wings of the breeze. So these are the lines. Now first question, what causes the poet to feel joyful? So you have to tell me what was the reason that the poet was so joyful. The poet feels joyful because of the lovely breeze and its effects over the surroundings. Now next question, what according to the poet is carried with the breeze? The soul and the spirits of the poet are carried along by the breeze. Now next, what does the poet mean by soul is awakened? By the word soul is awakened, the poet wants to say that she feels so happy as a result of the breeze blowing, as it feels as if her very soul has been awakened from a slumber. Slumber means long sleep. Now next part. The long withered grass in the sunshine is the bare trees are tossing their branches on. Now first question, explain the long withered grass in the sunshine is glancing. You have to explain these lines. These words describe how the grass that has withered is shining again in the sunshine owing to the wind. Now next question, what season of the year is it? How do you know? So you have to tell the season. This is the autumn season. We know it by the phrase the bare trees, as bare trees are found only in autumn season when their trees are shed. Now next question, why are the trees tossing their branches? The bare branches of the trees are blowing in the breeze, therefore the poetess say that they are tossing their branches. Now next question. C part, lines are given to you. Now first question, what does poet want to say? The poetess want to see movement of the ocean because of the wind. Why are the waves called proud? The waves are called proud because since they are rising to wind due to wind to such a height that it gives an impression of the being imposing and proud. Now next question. Give an example of personification from the lines above. You have to give an example, okay? The words wild winds and proud waves are examples of personification, as here the poetess imposes human qualities over the winds and waves respectively. Now next, describe the rapture of the earth. The rapture of the earth includes the withered grass that is shining and waving with the wind as if woken up from death. The trees are tossing their branches, the dead leaves are resting and dancing, the white clouds are hurrying across the sky, the waves in oceans are lashing and foam is blowing. It is as if suddenly the earth has come alive and is celebrating, welcoming the change in weather and the wonderful wind. Now come to next question. What sounds are mentioned in the poem? You have to tell the sounds, okay? The sounds mentioned in the poem are roaring of the wind, lashing of waves, rustling of leaves, trees, and wishing and swaying of roar of thunder. Now next question. Which words and phrases walk the turbulence of the ocean? The words and phrases that walk the turbulence of the ocean are ocean is lashing, foam of billow, whirlwinds of spray, proud waves dashing, wild roar of thunder. Come to next question. Our next question is, if you had to give an alternative title for the poem, what would it would be? Give reasons for your answer. Now poet is asking that if you are given a title, if you someone asked you to give a title, then what title will you give? If I have to give an alternative title for this poem, it be On the Wings of the Winds. This is mainly because the whole of nature and the poetess here seem to be intermingled by the winds. Okay. Now next question, give examples to show how the poet's mood is reflected in nature. Throughout the poem, Anne Bronte describes her mood using various images from nature. The wild wind represents how she feels because of the advent of the storm, and the way the earth and sea are moving and sway show her very being affected by the wind. The shining grass, the swinging bare branches of trees, and the dancing leaves on the ground can be interpreted as representations of state of mind that she is in. The movement of sea's water show that poet is rejoicing as well. So with this we have completed our question answers of this chapter. So you complete it in your notebooks. Thank you.